This how to 1 minute will show you how to get WordPress username and password from database. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to get or change your WordPress admin username and password. First of all, log into your cPanel and scroll down. Under databases section, click on phpMyAdmin. And here you have to select your WordPress website database. If you have multiple databases, to find out the exact database, go to your cPanel again and open File Manager. Now open your website directory and here search for wp-config.php file. You have to edit this file. And here you will get your database name. So my database name is this one. So this is my database. I'm clicking on it. And here scroll down to this left-hand menu until you get the users section. Users database. So click on it. And currently my WordPress have 2 users. So click on edit. And here you will get your WordPress admin username and password. From here you can change your login username and password and make sure to click on go to save. So this is how we can get WordPress username and password from database. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.